Hello students, welcome to your channel Khandelwal Maths Academy. I am your host Vishwesh Khandelwal. Lately in the previous videos I have asked you to comment your opinion in the comment section so I may know how's the video, how's the quality and how's the explanation, okay? Whether you want explanation in detail, okay? So let me know your opinion in the comment box. Now see, today we'll start with the practice set 1.2 of class 9, okay? Class 9 algebra. Okay, and the lesson name is sets. So we'll be starting with practice set 1.2. In the previous video we have studied solved examples related to practice set 1.2. Now coming to the first question, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Okay, in the previous video I had explained you what are equal sets. Okay, the sets which have same elements are known as equal sets. So here we have to decide which amongst A, B, C are the equal sets, and we have to justify our answer. That is, we have to solve these things. We can't directly say that set A, set B, set C are equal, or set A and set B are equal and set C is not equal to them. We can't say this directly. We need to justify our answer. So coming to the first set, which is set A. It is the set of all x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Now we need to solve this equation here. 3x minus 1 is 2. Therefore, 3x is 2 plus 1. So 3x is 3. It means x is 3 by 3 and therefore x is equal to 1. Therefore, set A contains only one element, which is 1. Give it name 1. Coming to the set B. B is the set of all x such that x is a natural number. Okay, we all know what are natural numbers. They start from 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. So x is a natural number, but x is neither prime nor composite. Now there is only one number which is neither prime nor composite. Okay, only one natural number which is neither prime nor composite, and it is 1. So again, B set has only one element and it is the number 1. Now coming to the C set. Set C is the set of all x such that x belongs to capital N, which is the set of natural numbers, and x is less than 2. अब natural numbers जो रहते हैं वो 1 से start होते हैं, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity, and here it is less than 2. So there is only one natural number which is less than 2, and it is 1. So from 1, 2 and 3 we can derive the conclusion. From 1, 2 and 3 we can conclude that set A, set B and set C are equal sets. Okay, now see here, in set A there is only one element which is the number 1. Again in set B there is one element which is the number 1, and in set C again there is one element which is again the number 1. So set A, set B and set C are all equal sets. Question 2, again it is decide whether set A and set B are equal sets. Give reasons for your answer. Set A, it is the set of even prime numbers. Now see, even prime numbers. There is only one prime number in this world which is even, and that number is 2. Now for set B, it is the set of all x such that 7x minus 1 is 13. Now we need to solve this equation. 7x minus 1 is 13. Therefore, minus 1 is in left hand side of the equation. Now when we take minus 1 to the right hand side, minus का हो जाएगा plus. 13 plus 1 is 14. So x is 14 by 7. 7 LHS में multiplication में RHS में जाएगा तो division. So x is 2. Therefore, set B has only one element, and that is number 2. So again from 1 and 2. In 1, set A contains one element, that is the number 2, and in 2 set B contains the element 2. Okay, the element one element, that is the number 2. So from 1 and 2, set A and set B are equal sets. Question 3, which of the following are empty sets? Okay, you all are well aware of the empty set. The set which does not have a single element in it is known as empty set. It is also called as null set or void set. Now see the first example. A is the set of all a such that a is a natural number smaller than 0. नेचुरल नंबर कहां से स्टार्ट होते हैं? 1 से, 1 2 3 4 अप टू इंफिनिटी. अब ये बोल रहे हैं नेचुरल नंबर स्मॉलर देन 0. अब 0 से स्मॉलर नेचुरल नंबर तो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. सो देयरफॉर सेट A इज ए null set. ओके, there is no natural number. रीजन दे देंगे अपन. there is no natural number which is less than 0 because the set of natural numbers consists of 1 2 3 4 up to infinity. Okay, therefore set A is a null set. Okay, is an empty set. Now second question. Okay, B is the set of all x such that x square is 0. Now see, B is the set of all x such that x square is 0. The equation is x square is 0. इसका मतलब x क्या होगा? अंडर रूट ऑफ 0. And what is अंडर रूट ऑफ 0? 0. मतलब x 0 है. इसका मतलब B सेट में एक एलिमेंट है which is 0. 0 है, एलिमेंट है. बहुत से बच्चे क्या करते हैं, 0 आगे तो नल सेट समझ लेते हैं. ये 0 एक नंबर है. ओके, मतलब B सेट में एक एलिमेंट है. Therefore set B is not an empty set. Question 3. C is the set of all x such that phi x minus 2 is 0 and x belongs to natural numbers. Now see, here set C is the set of all x such that phi x minus 2 is 0, x belongs to natural numbers. सबसे पहले set of numbers कौन सा है वो लिख लो, x belongs to natural numbers है. Now the equation phi x minus 2 is 0. Solve it. Phi x is equal to वो सेट जाएगा 2 हो जाएगा. So x is 2 by 5. But this 2 by 5 does not belong to the set of natural numbers. क्योंकि x क्या होना चाहिए नेचुरल नंबर, पर x आया 2 by 5. Therefore ये सेट C जो रहेगा वो एम्प्टी सेट रहेगा. इसे ऐसा लिखो या ऐसा लिखो, कोई भी एक लिखो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ये समझा कि आपको x का वैल्यू क्या आया 2 by 5. ओके, वैल्यू आया है, पर that x should belong to natural number. But 2 by 5 is not a natural number, it belongs to rational numbers. Point में आएगा. As this 2 by 5 does not belong to natural number, this element does not belong to this set. मतलब C is an empty set. Therefore, set C is an empty set. Question 4. Write with reasons which of the following sets are finite and infinite sets. Finite sets हम देख चुके हैं. What are finite sets? The set in which elements are limited and countable. And what are infinite sets? The sets in which elements are unlimited and uncountable. So now see the first set. A is the set of all x such that x is less than 10 and x is a natural number. So आप देखो A set में कौन कौन से elements आएंगे? Natural number से 1 से start होगा, 1 2 3 4 and it is less than 10 तो up to 9 आएगा. Now these elements are countable. कितने elements है set में? 9 elements. As elements in set से are elements in set A are countable. Therefore set A is a finite set. Now second question. B is the set of all y's such that y is less than minus 1 and y is an integer. अब लेस देन माइनस वन से छोटा, तो माइनस वन से छोटा क्या 0 1 2 3 4 मत लिख देना. -1 से छोटा, -2, -3, -4 अप टू -इंफिनिटी। सो ये यहां से स्टार्ट होगा -4, -3 और -2। अब आप देखोगे एलिमेंट्स इन सेट बी आर अनकाउंटेबल, एलिमेंट्स इन सेट बी आर अनकाउंटेबल, therefore set B is an infinite set. Okay, next question, question 3. C is the set of students of class 9 in your school. अब देखो आपका जो भी स्कूल होगा, सपोज उसमें क्लास 9 के 3 डिविजन्स है, 4 डिविजन्स है, 5 डिविजन्स है, 6 डिविजन्स है, जितने भी डिविजन्स रहने दो। सपोज हर डिवीजन में, किसी डिवीजन में 50 स्टूडेंट्स है, किसी में 56 स्टूडेंट्स है, किसी में 60 होंगे, किसी में 40 होंगे, लेकिन ये जितने भी नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स है ये काउंटेबल है। हम बोल सकते हैं कि हाँ भाई हमारा स्कूल है, हमारे स्कूल में स्टैंडर्ड 9th में टोटल डिविजन्स है उतने मिलाकर टोटल 200 बच्चे हैं, टोटल 300 बच्चे हैं, 257 बच्चे हैं, ओके 385 बच्चे हैं। तो वी कैन काउंट दोज स्टूडेंट्स। सो हियर द स्टूडेंट्स of class 9 of the school यानी कोई भी पर्टिकुलर स्कूल है वो are countable, therefore set C is a finite set. Next question, set of people from your village. अब कोई भी विलेज रहने दो, टाउन रहने दो, सिटी रहने दो, ओके वहां जो नंबर ऑफ पीपल्स है वी कैन काउंट दोस पीपल कि हाँ भाई हमारे विलेज में देयर आर 5000 पीपल, भाई हमारा जो सिटी है उसमें देयर आर 6 लाख पीपल, जैसे मुंबई जैसा एरिया है देयर आर अराउंड 3 to 4 crores ऑफ पीपल, वी कैन काउंट दोस पीपल। ओके, सेंसस होता है ना, उसमें लोग काउंट करते हैं वो लोग कि पर्टिकुलर कंट्री में कितने लोग हैं। हमारे 135 करोड़ है ना, बहुत ज्यादा है, ध्यान दे नहीं रहे हम लोग। Set of people from your village. So, people in the village are countable. People in the village are countable. Therefore, इसको नाम नहीं था. Therefore, the given set is a finite set. Next question. Set of apparatus in the laboratory. Now see, apparatus in the laboratory again are countable. बराबर है, apparatus यानी वही आपका थिसल फनल, फ्लास्क, रबर कॉर्क भी आ जाएगा apparatus में. Then there are test tubes. Okay, so apparatus in the laboratory are countable. We can count them. Therefore, the given set is a finite set. Next question. Set of whole numbers. there are infinite whole numbers. Starting from 0, there are infinite whole numbers. Therefore, set of whole numbers is an infinite set. And the seventh one is set of rational numbers. Again, there are infinite rational numbers. Solution: there are infinite rational numbers. Rational numbers क्या होते हैं? The number which are written in the P upon Q form. Okay, when we express them in decimal form, then there are two types of rational numbers in decimal form. One is terminating rational numbers, okay, terminating decimals you can say, and the other is non-terminating but recurring. Okay, so we can write them in P upon Q form or decimal form. So there are infinite rational numbers again. हमने देखा था कि अगर दो नेचुरल नंबर भी आप लेते हो 2 और 3 तो उसके बीच में भी infinite rational numbers है. So therefore the set of rational numbers is an infinite set. Okay, set of any numbers है ना, whole numbers, natural numbers, even number, odd number, prime numbers, composite numbers, rational numbers, then there are irrational numbers, integers, complex numbers, real numbers, imaginary numbers, कोई भी set of numbers आप उठा लो, there are infinite rational numbers or natural numbers, whole numbers, any जो भी है, तो इनका जो भी सेट रहेगा it will be an infinite set.